Dr. Sydney here, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about scholarly writing. You'll notice that you have scholarly writing almost every week, and we ask you to do scholarly writing so that you can practice writing for an academic audience. This means that you need to make sure that you have looked at your paper for spelling, for grammar, and for punctuation, because we will take points off for those things. Also, you need to make sure that you're writing enough information. An academic paragraph is usually between 6 and 8 sentences. 3 or 4 sentences is not enough. And if you don't write enough, I don't know if you understand what you read about this week or the topic we're discussing. So again, when you're doing your scholarly writings, please make sure that they are long enough, at least 6 to 8 sentences. Also, please make sure that you check your spelling, your grammar, and your punctuation. If you need help or have any questions, please let me know.